Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try this Ethiopian Afro wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And then also just comment down below if you love this color. This is color black and color 30 on the Afro. So I've actually introduced to you almost the same style. I call them Ethiopian style because it's like an Ethiopian style. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this style, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. Okay, bye. See you in my next video.